Over the past 2 months, our labs have been home to 57 young researchers. But more than experiments and observations, they have been filled with stories of courage, curiosity, and hope. For many of these students, this was the first time stepping into a laboratory, the first time holding a pipette in their hands, the first time looking through a microscope, the first time feeling like science belonged to them too.
For the Anveshana 2026, out of the 57 students that we have chosen, some of them are from the extreme rural areas, which includes Ladakh region, and there are some regions in Karnataka where the facilities are very minimal and the opportunities to explore education or some small experiments is very challenging and they don't have any facility at their school. So seeing them here who got selected for the Anveshana is a very exciting experience even for all the mentors.
Some of them come from places where opportunities like this rarely reach. From rural areas, where classrooms may not always have enough resources, where exposure to research and scientific learning can feel distant. Yet, they arrived carrying something incredibly powerful, the willingness to learn.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೇನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
In the beginning, there was hesitation. Hands that trembled while handling instruments, eyes filled with both uncertainty and wonder. But slowly, the labs became a place where they felt seen. A place where making mistakes was okay. A place where their questions mattered. Day after day, we watched them grow, not as students, but as individuals discovering confidence within themselves. The same students who once stood quietly at the corner of the lab are now discussing ideas, working independently, collecting samples from lakes and water bodies, analyzing observations, and speaking about science with excitement and ownership. These students reminded us that brilliance is everywhere. Sometimes, all it needs is access and someone to believe that they are capable. Watching them learn has been just as meaningful for us as this journey has been for them.